day before his surgery. We are just kind of taking it easy today. I need to pack his bag. It's an outpatient procedure. He's gonna go home same day, but pack his bag, make sure he has things that he likes for when he wakes up, and then also pack sister's bag because she's staying at the grandparents' night because we have to leave super early tomorrow morning. Actually, first, step over all these toys. First, I need to empty out the overnight bag. I gotta get it right from grandma's. Okay, last night we went to Snoop Dogg concert, and so both kids stayed at grandma and grandpa's house. Tonight, just sister. So I'm going to pack her essentials. She will of course need diapers, so heck, these bad boys in there. All of these clothes are dirty. Oh, admire her dirty room. All right, she really likes her watermelon pajamas. Oh, I love her little Minnie Mouse shorts on her, so maybe we'll just do another white tank top. Her iPad charger. Are you eating broccoli and chicken?
Mm-hmm.
So yummy. I love broccoli.
This one. Okay.
Okay. I'm not really sure what little man needs, but I know I'm packing this for him. And shorts. I think I'm just gonna have him wear this to bed tonight. That way in the morning we don't, because we're leaving at like 5 in the morning, so that way we don't have to like fight with him over it. This is Minecraft guy, so I think we're gonna pack this for him for tomorrow. And then of course his iPad. Make sure we leave the car charger. Super simple little dude. We're doing bath time because I want him to be clean before we go to surgery tomorrow. And surprisingly, there aren't any tears right now. I'm the only person whose kid just hates bath time. Like, I feel like everybody just talks about how their kids love bath time and it's so peaceful and it's such a great way to wind down. If anything, it's like the worst thing for me to do before bedtime because it gets them, so both of our kids, so visibly agitated, and it's just a nightmare for all of us. Yeah. All right, you ready to go to grandma's house?
Yes. Hey.
Look how long her hair.
What just hit the car?
Oh, you bumped your head on the car?
Yeah.
Wow, what is that?
It's wheels.
It's got wheels. Hey, are you gonna take bites, dude?
How about this one?
Okay.
Nicholas have Happy Minecraft next to you? Yeah. Sure we can.
Do you wanna hold Minecraft?
I'll bring it right now. You can just leave it in the box if you broke.
Is that yummy?
Like, what did Nicholas think? Like, this? It's just, that's just.
You so happy to see him?
I want to eat that.
You want some more? Okay.
You want to try? No. Let's try? No. Want to try? No. You need some goldfish? Now we do. Okay.